and my topic is why Patanjali Atta Noodles fail in comparison of Maggi. It is slightly less as compared to regular Maggi. Because of after Maggi, Patanjali Atta Noodles fails in lab test. And in comparison, other noodles or atta noodles is not tasty as Maggi. And Maggi is very popular brand in pupils, and this is the reasons. And the suggestion is the change in the strategy of the atta noodles and the product, increase the quality of the products, and give some discounts to the customer. It's make it healthy, reduce price for some time to sometimes to that's all. Sorry.
Okay, thank you. Team number 2.
Yes, sir. So, good morning, one and all present here. Myself, Akash. So, I'm talking about Patanjali Atta noodles, which were launched in November 2015. So, basically, there are some reasons for its failure. Like, few legal reasons are, it was not agreed, it was not licensed by the FSSAI, that is Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. Moreover, it is also found that the ash content in its taste maker is 3 times more than the prescribed limit. It is claimed by the Food Safety and Drug Administration (FSDA) based in Meerut. Also, apart from legal consequences, it is also found that review of customers is so bad regarding its taste, its color, its smell, and also its packaging. Also, it has failed due to its strong competitors like Nestle, Yippee, and Top Remedy oat noodles. Moreover, it has few positive points that we can say it is renowned with a very it is associated with a renowned brand name, and it is also cheaper as compared to other companies. Also, its weakness is, as I mentioned, FSDA quality test may fail, and also it has controversies with FSSAI, and customer preferences are not with Patanjali Atta noodles. If we talk about its opportunity, so Atta noodle has still not acquired its old market share, but has good opportunity and good brand name, so it can still acquire its market. Moreover, if we talk about threats, so the new brands capitalizing the market in noodles are still threats to Patanjali Atta noodle. I think if Patanjali Atta Noodle creates some competitive advertisements, so it can still grab the market. Also, if it produces some new variants, if it improves its quality and recreates its taste, so it can still capitalize the market. And due to its brand name, its renowned brand name Patanjali, it can still lead the market, capitalizing over all other brands. Thank you.
Okay, team number 7. Team 7,
Yes, sir.
start.
Hello everyone, I am Sudhanshu Sasi, speaker of team number 7. I am going to throw light on how ban of Nestle's Maggie make a chance to introduce Patanjali, a new product called Patanjali Atta Noodles, and why Patanjali Atta Noodles fails. First of all, I want to throw some light on why Nestle's Maggie was banned. In 2015, in a test of India's food regulatory, it is found that Nestle's Maggie contains excessive lead and flavor enhancer MSG. So they food regulatories of India sent a notice to Nestle and ban Maggie. When ban of Nestle's Maggie was announced, at that time Ramdev's Patanjali Ayurveda, which has grown at a breakneck speed, expanded from their mainstay of herbal product to fast food, soaps, and even cosmetics. They tried to took opportunity in their hands and they launched Patanjali Atta noodles, claiming that it is fully made of wheat flour. But at the time, Patanjali was facing many crises, such as first of all was Nepal asked Patanjali to recall its product as they said six Patanjali products has been failed microbial test and found to be substandard during the inspection by Nepal Department of Drug Administration. And also in India, two Patanjali products, Amla juice and Sivlinga bees, were found to be found to be of substandard quality by Haridwar Ayurveda and Unani institution. Many Patanjali products were receiving adverse feedback from the consumers and also retailers. At the time, misbranding was also a cause for failure of Patanjali Atta noodles. In 2014, a local court in Haridwar fined Patanjali of 11 lakh Indian rupees for misbranding and putting up misleading advertisement of their products. The main reason of failure of Patanjali Atta noodles was that it violated the safety norms. Patanjali Ayurveda was served notice by the government for violating food safety norms in manufacturing atta noodles. Because of all these reasons, Patanjali atta noodles failed. If Patanjali wants to relaunch atta noodles again, first of all, they had to follow the food safety norms of Indian government. Also, they have to enhance their taste as it was not good in the past. And also they will have to clear their image of selling substandard product which is still prevailing in the market. Recently in a study it is found that Patanjali honey is of substandard. Also they have to advertise their products properly. Thanks. Goodbye.
Team number 9.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Shevan Gupta, and my topic is how the ban of the Maggi provides an opportunity to the Patanjali noodles. Natural positioning and attractive pricing have helped the Patanjali to increase the market share from the players like Dabur, Colgate, etc. In almost all the consumer goods segments, Baba Ramdev Patanjali have been taking the increase in the market shares. The ban of the Maggi was imposed after the FSSAI found excessive quantities of lead and flavor enhanced monosodium glutamate. But Patanjali has not been able to make the decent dent in order to capture the market share which was previously being owned by the Maggie's 2-minute noodles. There are the certain reasons for the failure of the Patanjali noodles. First, bad consumer reviews. Its taste, color, smell, and packaging was not liked by many customers. Substandard quality. A team of Food Safety and Drug Administration found Patanjali noodles as substandard with ash content higher in taste makes the higher in taste making exceeding the prescribed limit by 3 times. Strong competition. Already existing powerful companies like Nestle, ITC AP noodles, and Chinks, which makes it difficult for the Patanjali to compete in the market. But in order for the in order to come back and to have the larger market share, they have various opportunities and other strength, such as they have renowned brand name. They provide cheaper products as compared to their competitors' product, fulfilling. But in order to develop their good market share, they need to fulfill all the quality standards and to design and develop the product as per the customer needs and their specifications. Thank you.
Team number 1.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Dipali representing Team 1, whose team leader is Soumya Goyal. So, I am here to give my views on the stoppage of supply of Nestle product Maggi as it was banned and how other products, for example, Patanjali Atta noodles, took it as opportunity and expand its market share. In June 2015, Maggi was banned due to the reason of increase in lead and MSG. So, taking it as advantage, Patanjali introduced atta noodles by specifying its features as healthy as it was made up of wheat flour, not maida, and also added that it would not be addictive like Maggi. For that period, it was widespread. But when Maggie gave a throwback in the industry, Patanjali market share declined, and it has the reasons for its decline. but the main reason of failure was violated food safety reforms. Now I'll talk about some measures that Patanjali can take to again come back and stand in the industry. As we all know, Ramdev is best known for being healthy, like yoga he did. So Patanjali can give more emphasis on marketing as its product is really healthy and no one can deny it. Patanjali can also add some new features in its product, such as adding more spices or adding corn. It is only the way of improving its quality. People have different tastes, so diversifying its product in two or more flavors will help it to regain its place in the industry. Moreover, cost reduction will also help it. Comparing to Maggi, Patanjali provides its product costlier. That's why people are moving towards Maggi. They should also work on the reviews of the customer, solve the customer problems. At the end, I think these measures will work and hope that Maggi lovers will shift to Patanjali lovers. Thank you.
Team number 4.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon, sir. I would like to present some views about the Maggie, the reasons behind the failure of Patanjali Atta noodles, and
नविता
what measures.
थोड़ा सा आप कैमरा नीचे कर लेंगे ना तो बेटर हो जाएगा. हाँ, now it's okay.
Okay, sir. And the measures they could take to gain before relaunching to gain some success this time. So I'm starting with the reasons behind their failure. So one of the reasons behind their failure was the tussle with the FSSAI. FSSAI claimed that they had no approval or license was granted to Patanjali for its instant noodles. Second would be the bad customer review. Its taste, color, smell, and packaging was not liked by many customers. It also took more time to cook than other noodles. And The third would be the substandard quality. A team of food safety and drugs administration based in Meerut has found a Patanjali Atta noodle sample of Patanjali Atta noodle substandard with ash content in it by exceeding the ash content in it by nearly 3 times, even more than Maggi. And one of the major reasons for its failure was the strong competitions. Already existing powerful competitors like Nestle's Maggi and ITC's Zippy noodles made it difficult for Patanjali to compete. My suggestions would be for the Patanjali Atta noodles to improvise. Would be I would suggest them, if they could in some way make noodles obey the balanced meal model, which would include all ingredients of a balanced diet, so that the working youth of our country won't uh, they because 50% of our working youth 50% of our youth is working, and they didn't get the time to make a proper meal, so they could have this noodle and suffice their balance side. So if the noodles meet the needs, it would be a great leap in demand and supply change of changing needs of our society. They could also enhance the taste smell of the atta noodles according to the customer's need, and to match the quality standards of the provided by the FSDA. They could lower the ash content in it. So this is all from my side.
Thank you so much, Navita. Team number 8. Team 8, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Dimple Gupta, and today my topic is what are the reason of failure of Patanjali Atta noodles and what are the suggestions to be made. So before starting it, I just want to say that Nestle is a brand which has a Maggie, but it got banned in 2015 because there is a high level of MSG, that is monosodium gluten and lead. Because of that, it got thrown out of the market. So that is why the Patanjali get advantage of it, and it launched its product, that is Patanjali Atta noodles. But it did not succeed as it was expected. And the reason of the failure of Patanjali Atta noodles are: the first one is the taste. The taste of Patanjali Atta noodle was not that up to mark, so that's why the customer did not like the product and they shifted from Patanjali Atta noodle. And the second reason is ignoring the competition. When the Patanjali entered into the market, the Maggie got banned. So that's why there was no such competition in the market except some of the noodles, that is Yippee, YY, etc. But that was not such a competition for Patanjali. But when the Maggie come again in the market, the Patanjali got thrown out of the market, and that's why the share of Patanjali get decreased. The another reason for the failure of Patanjali Atta noodle is lack of innovation. Before launching any of the product, it is very necessary that the product is very innovative, so that the customer get attract of the product and they try it. But there was no such innovation in case of a Patanjali Atta noodles. Then the another reason is the lack of advertisement. The advertisement of Patanjali Atta noodle was not quite good, so that's why the customer shifted from Patanjali Atta noodle. And the last one is that the profit margin. The profit margin in case of a Patanjali Atta noodle is very less. So that's why the retailer did not find it interesting to sell it. So that's why they find it that they should sell the other product. Now I'm giving you some of the suggestions to be given so that the Patanjali can increase its market share. The first one is the focus on taste. It is very essential that it is very essential for the Patanjali to focus on the taste, because customer will buy its product only when the taste is quite good. I'm not saying that we should match the taste of Maggie, but it should be good. The another is make advertisement more interesting. It is very essential that the advertisement is more interesting and innovative, so that the Patanjali can increase its share. That the another suggestion is try to beat the competition. The Patanjali should try to beat its competition. It should make the strategies like cost differentiation and focus, or it can use the combination of these strategies. Then the another is more profit margin to the supplier. It is very necessary for the Patanjali to give more profit margin to the supplier, so that they are ready to sell it. That's all from my side. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
team number 3.
Good afternoon, all. My name is Kashish Duggal. I'm representing Team 3. My topic is ban of Maggi and introduction of Patanjali Atta Maggi noodles. I think I will not be wrong to say that 90% of the people present here are Maggi lovers and were disheartened when Maggi got banned. Maggi has been an all-time favorite dish for all of us, and we can eat it at any time, like breakfast, dinner, post dinner, for late night snacks. Noodle is one of the most popular snacks, which is relished mostly by children, youngsters, and middle-aged people in India. Instant noodles concept was brought in India by foreign FMCG company Nestle with brand name Maggi. Several other noodle brands came and are still operational in market, but none of the brands could match the success and fame backed by Nestle Maggi. Maggi got banned in June 2015 in several parts of the country. Food safety regulators from Uttar Pradesh tested few samples of Maggi and found excessive amount of lead and monosodium glutamate (MSG) beyond the permissible limit. Food Safety and Standards Authority of India immediately acted upon the complaint filed by the food safety regulators of Uttar Pradesh and ordered testing of Maggi samples all over India. They found maximum states found that there was excessive amount of lead in Maggi, except states like Goa, Kerala, and Punjab. Permissible amount of lead in food is 0.01 parts per million, but Maggi samples contained 17 parts per million of lead, which is very huge quantity. Hence, due to health and safety reasons, Maggi was banned in India, as lead and MSG are harmful chemicals which causes inflammation of liver, damage of brain, not immediately but with lapse of time, and other serious health issues, especially in children. As a consequence, Maggi suffered a quarterly loss of rupees 64.40 crore rupees for the first time in history of Nestle India for the quarter ended June 2015. With the ban of Maggi in India, Patanjali saw a big opportunity and launched its products Patanjali Atta Noodles. He entered the noodles market in the light of Make in India campaign started by our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, and manufactured instant noodles in India, claiming them to be more healthy, safe, and economical than other brands. Even though Maggi had harmful effects, it had been popular among students and hostelers who stockpiled Maggi packets from stores as the news of ban came out. Patanjali gained a few customers in the beginning of its journey since Maggi users were finding a replacement, and also since it promoted the brand under the Make in India campaign. But the image that Maggi had created in the market since its journey helped them come back into the market after the ban got lifted. It regained its customer and was revived. Other brands like Yippee could still manage in the market, but Patanjali failed. Some of the steps that I think Patanjali could have taken or could take to come back in the market are: it should hire some really famous celebrities for its brand endorsements. Patanjali was going on the right track, but its distribution channel was very weak. It sold noodles only to its authorized stores. It should distribute to small stores and shops to make it reachable to the public at large. It should change the taste and spices used since the people have developed a taste for Maggi and should make it a little more similar to that. In conclusion, I would want to say that Maggi has reached such a place in customers' heart that taking over Maggi in terms of taste by any company is very difficult. Thank you.
Team number six, please. Team number six.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. I am Sakshi representing Team 6. So, I will start with 2-minute Maggie, which we all are fond of. Maggie is almost everyone's childhood memory. It is difficult to replace such a memory with a other product until and unless the product is either better than that or equally good. So, India Food Regulator FSSAI banned Maggi in 2015 after tests showed that it contained excessive lead, which is found to be unsafe and hazardous for human consumption. So, as Maggi banned new product Patanjali Atta noodles was introduced by Ramdev to get the first mover advantage, but it failed. Swami Ramdev promoted Patanjali Ayurved announced the launch of instant atta noodles after Nestle Maggi ban. So Patanjali Atta Noodles launched nationally has been positioned on the tagline Jhatpat Banao Befikar Khao, but it failed in the national market. As reason for its failures, first can be bad customer reviews. The taste, color, smell, and packaging was not liked by many customers. It also took more time to cook. The second reason for its failures can be the tussle with Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. No approval and license has been granted to Patanjali for its instant noodles. They have approval for other products but not for instant noodles. The third reason for it can be substandard quality. A team of Food Safety and Drug Administration based in Meerut has found Patanjali Atta noodle sample substandard with ash content exceeding the prescribed limits by nearly 3 times more than Maggi even. Strong competitors is also for one of the reasons for its failure. ITC Yippee noodles made it difficult for Patanjali to compete in the market. So we can have some suggestions for Patanjali. Maggi still has not acquired its old market share. So Patanjali has opportunity to come into the market. The second suggestion can be we can replace the word Maggi with noodles. Patanjali noodles are healthier than Maggi. Patanjali noodles are made up of wheat and not of refined flour. So heavy advertising campaign can be done mainly focusing on this fact. Patanjali can collaborate with e-retailers like Amazon, Flipkart on a mass level to for its promotion. We can try also launching new variants in Patanjali Atta noodles. Focusing on recreating taste by modifying ingredients can also help. For last, we can also target our price to survive in the market. Thank you. Am I audible?